Welcome to LuxDrape. Ready to see what's shaping window design in 2025? Let's dive into the top 5 curtain trends you can't miss. In 2025, customization is king. Homeowners want curtains that reflect their personal style, not one size fits all. LuxDrape now offers fabric swatch kits, multiple header styles, and fully tailored sizing to support this trend. Trend 2, layered window treatments. Sheer curtains in daytime, blackout, or thermal panels for night. This gives you the flexibility to shift from soft daylight to total privacy. LuxDrape's designs emphasize this balance between performance and aesthetic. The third trend is a return to natural textures. Linen blends, and breathable fabrics are in high demand for their airy, effortless elegance. LuxDrape's linen collections evoke calm, breezy interiors while resisting sag. Fourth, velvet is staging a comeback, but reimagined. Instead of just neutral tones, bold and tactile velvets are becoming focal pieces in formal rooms. With rich colors and plush texture, velvet curtains are used to define spaces, combining drama with insulation. The fifth trend marries curtains with smart home tech. Motorized drapery is rising, allowing you to control light, privacy, and ambience with a tap. LuxDrape's Insight report mentions this as part of the evolution where curtains become functional tools, not just decor. These are the top 5 curtain trends for 2025. Want to bring them into your home? Browse our custom collections and find the perfect match for your space. Visit luxdrape.com and explore our linen, velvet, and layered drapery options. Let your windows tell your story.